Today we're at the Chandler Theatre, which is one of the venues located at the Sleeman Sports Complex. The Chandler Theatre was built for the 1982 Commonwealth Games. It took on a life in legacy as a theatre, where it staged different content from theatre shows, concerts, awards nights, ceremonies, and that sort of thing.
There's not a lot of them located around Brisbane, so this plays a really important role, I think, in the small to medium event space. So the old system was well over 30 years old. Not often, but we definitely were starting to get noise complaints that the system was failing and we were unable to repair it towards the end of its life.
The loudspeaker system needed to fit our budget, but we needed to balance that with a really high quality system and something that we're certainly proud to take forward to the market with regard to promoters and hirers.
VTX A-Series really did hit the sweet spot in terms of the price and availability. This was certainly my first introduction to it.
We were involved in installing the PA physically, and MadisonAV were on site during that installation period.
The JBL VTX A-Series system was the first one in Australia at Chandler Theatre that was installed. It didn't need to be a massive banging rock and roll PA in there. So as it was a theatre and the kind of shows they were having, the A-Series just made sense. It had a high SPL, it had a good coverage, and enough subs were put in to cover the area well.
In the theatre now we have 3 hangs of the JBL VTX A-Series. There's 8 boxes per hang. Behind each of those hangs we have 3 boxes of the JBL VTX B15 subs. And so what we've discovered is an incredible amount of extra gain before feedback, and its small compact boxes allows us to not impede sightlines too greatly.
We had to leave some capacity for additional lighting and bumped in tech so we couldn't consume all of those weights. So again, a subcompact helped us out with that weight limit. There are 5 Crown iTech HD 4x3500 watt amplifiers in there. The arrays are wide in pairs, and the reason why was then we could get channel control so that we could obviously send more to the back of the theatre, a little less to the front, and we could also taper EQ and that sort of thing as needed.
What it means to the Chandler Theatre to have a state-of-the-art JBL loudspeaker system is the venue's ability to attract new and fresh content, as well as retain a lot of the diverse content that we already have. And it's something that we're truly excited about taking forward to attracting particularly new, fresh content.
Both touring acts that we've had come through were more than happy with the VTX A-Series, couldn't wait to mix on it because it's not widely available yet, and only positive feedback we got so far from it. I think the system allows us to cater for those hirers that can come in and expect a current day market standard.
In terms of recommending VTX A-Series in future work, I would not hesitate. It really ticked all the boxes. It was very easy to deal with Madison. They provided excellent support in terms of simulation, commissioning, any questions we had with design, no problem was too much. The system was in stock from a logistics point of view, arrived on time, and that's even important when you're trying to meet a deadline. The system rigged extremely easily. In conjunction with High Noon, we had the system all set up within a day. Commissioning was painless. The whole process was very simple, and yeah, I would definitely use VTX A-Series again.